Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. And good day to each and everyone. So for today's tutorial videos, we will just continue our previous discussion for our prelim coverage. Okay. Then um, after this, so I also have prepared here some questions regarding on these topics, and then I will let you to answer these questions. And once again, kindly have your own copy of these um, uh, manuals, and then print it, and then to serve as your guide. Okay, and then also if you have to listen, if you have to watch these videos, kindly use headset, okay? So that, okay, any information, any important information that would be indicated here would be clear to you, no? Okay. So now, this would be our second topic. No, this is just actually a continuation of our discussion last meeting or last video tutorials. Okay, and then um kindly check it out, no, yung sa kuan natin last natin na discussion, no, kasi there will be a related concept about this concept here that will be discussed, and the previously discussed topics. Okay, so okay, so proceed. So this would be, okay, the continuation of organic and biological molecules. Okay, so probably last meeting, uh, we had discussed alkanes, okay, and another term for alkanes is saturated hydrocarbons, okay, and also we have also given some overview about these alkanes and alkynes, no, but okay, we didn't discuss it last time, no, so ang na-discuss lang natin last time is yung alkanes. But the difference between them, between these three, is also pointed out. Okay, so in here we will just have to tackle mostly on what concept behind these topics. Okay, but the difference between these three, the alkenes, and alkynes are already discussed in our previous discussion. So kindly refer on it. Okay, sa last natin na videos. Okay? Now, okay. So what is alkenes and alkynes? Okay. So most, no, if I'm not I will just have to give you a overview. Alkenes and alkynes are those molecules or hydrocarbon molecules in which there is a two carbons that are two carbons, no, that are bonded together. Um, that are bonded together with with two bonding atoms. Okay, so those alkynes naman is those carbons where it is bonded with more than two bonding atoms. Okay, so when you say bonding atoms, yun yung bonding natin, or yun yung relations natin or sharing of electrons natin between two carbon atoms sa hydrocarbons natin. Okay, just like for example this what we have seen here, itong sa figure natin dito, no, ito yan siya. Ito siya is 'di ba yung sa last natin na discussion is carbon, no, the bonding of two carbon is only one. In here makikita natin dalawa, no, so ibig sabihin nito these two bonding here is the sharing of electrons between the two carbon atoms. Okay, so as you can see here, the difference also between the previous na na-discuss natin and this figure is that dito yung hydrogen natin na nakaband sa isang carbon is dalawa lang, no? Supposedly sa last na discussion natin is tatlo. Okay? Bakit? No, kasi 'di ba as I have said last meeting, for carbons, no, kung titingnan natin yun siya sa table of element, it has only for sharing of electrons, no, or available electrons, no, at the outer shell, no? So, ibig sabihin nun, apat lang yung pwede niyang ma-share na electrons, okay? So, sa last meeting natin, di ba, binilang natin yung lahat ng nakaband sa carbon natin, tapos apat yung nakita natin. Dito, apat rin supposedly. Bakit? Kasi kung bibilangin natin yung bonding dito, for example, this one, itong carbon na to, so, ang bonding niya is 1, 2, yung 3, yung hydrogen, at saka 4, yung hydrogen na isa. Okay? So, yun. So, kaya apat. So, hindi pa rin nagbago yung kwa natin. Yun nga lang, naging dalawa lang yung bonding ng carbons natin. Okay? So, yun lang yung pinagkaiba. So, for naming of giving a name of alkanes and alkynes, no, same lang actually sa alkanes, no, same lang actually. The only difference is that dito yung numbering natin dito ng mga carbons natin is nakadepende sa kung saan nakalagay yung double bonding natin ng carbon. Okay, sa last meeting natin, if I'm not mistaken, no, if you remember it, okay, yung numbering natin ng mga carbons natin para makabigay tayo ng name is that nagsisimula tayo sa side where yung substituent natin is malapit. Okay? Dito, okay, kahit malapit man yung substituent natin sa isang side, hindi tayo doon magsisimula. Okay, kasi ang titingnan natin is kung saan malapit yung double bonding natin. So mamaya makikita natin yun siya. Okay? And as I have said, the difference between carbon, okay, as I have said, the difference between carbon atoms and I mean the difference between alkanes and alkynes is that for alkanes, no, alkanes, it is actually saturated. Ibig sabihin nun, um, non-reactive siya, no? So ibig sabihin nahihirapan siyang mag-react with other uh, atoms, okay? Pero dito sa alkanes natin, it is unsaturated, where it means that it has an ability to react with other atoms. Okay? So, and then, in relation to that, yung sa carbon natin is wala siyang rotation, no? Ibig sabihin, I mean, constant rotation siya. Okay? Constant rotation yung sa alkanes natin na ENE. Okay, so yung ibig sabihin nun yung napapalibot sa kanya na yung napapalibot sa kanya na atoms is actually constantly rotating, no? Dito sa alkenes natin, no, it has no ability to rotate. It's because, no, it is reacting, no? Nagre-react siya sa ibang atoms natin, okay? So that's why in relation to that, may na-form tayo na concept in this case na tinatawag nating CIS CIS trans isomers, okay? So ibig sabihin nun kung meron tayong given na alkenes, okay? Meron siyang isomers in which tinatawag nating trans at saka CIS, okay? So makikita natin yun siya sa examples natin, okay? Okay, so now example number 1, naming alkanes and alkynes, okay? So we have here, name each of the following. So, if I'm not mistaken, hindi ko pa pala na-discuss yung kanina. For example, this one, yung CIS and trans, okay? In here, no, kung makikita natin dito, is itong sa letter A, okay? Yung CH3 natin at saka yung CH3 natin is nandito, okay? So, ibig sabihin, yung dalawa is symmetrical. Meron tayong CH3 dito, meron tayong CH3 dito, at saka hydrogen dito. Okay? So, they are symmetrical. That's why, no, tinawag siyang CIS 2 butane, no? Kasi dalawang carbons lang yung nandyan. Okay? I mean, apat, no? Kasi 1, 2, 3, 4, apat na carbon. Okay? So, CIS, tinawag siyang CIS 2 butane as it is indicated here. Okay? For letter B naman, okay, instead na yung CH3 natin is nandito, okay, pinagpalit natin siya dito sa edge, no? Ibig sabihin, yung CH3 at saka yung edge nagpalit sila ng position, okay? So ang nangyari is naging ganito yung position ng carbons natin. So same pa rin, apat pa rin yung carbons nila at saka may hydrogen na dalawa. So wala naman nag-iba. Ang nag-iba nga lang is yung position. So same pa rin yung kwan natin, same pa rin yung um, formation natin at saka yung characteristic. Ang nag-iba nga lang is yung pangalan, no? So we have here the name of that letter B indicated is trans 2-butane, okay? So ibig sabihin nun dadagdagan mo lang ng CIS at saka trans, okay? So yun yung examples niya. Okay, so dito tayo sa naming. So letter A, meron tayong given here. We have CH3, CH2, CH over CH nakaban sa CH3, tapos CH, CH3 at saka CH doon sa taas. Okay, so bibigyan daw natin siya ng name. Okay, once again, no, as I have said, the same pa rin ng pagbigay ng name sa alkanes natin, no, mag-assign tayo ng numbers, pero the only difference is doon tayo magsisimula sa side where mas malapit yung two carbons natin, no? For example, this one. So, saan dito yung pinakamataas na or pinaka-longest na chain natin? So, pinaka-longest na chain natin is from this one papunta rito sa taas. So, yan. Okay? Same with this one, no? So, from this one sa 6, then papunta si dito sa taas. Okay? Hindi pwedeng from this one papunta rito kasi ito is carbons lang, isang carbons lang yung nandito. So, whereas dito, galing ka rito, papunta ka dito sa taas. So, tatlong carbons yung involved. Okay? So, yun yung ibig sabihin yan. Okay. So, now, dito tayo magsisimula mag-numbering kasi yung carbons natin is, yung double bonding ng carbons natin is mas malapit dito sa sides. No? So, kung makikita natin dito, may substituent tayo rito na CH3. Pero, hindi tayo dito magsisimula kahit mas malapit siya dito kasi in this case, hindi ito yung importante. Ang importante rito is yung double bonds. Okay, unlike sa alkanes natin na doon tayo nagsisimula sa mas malapit yung substituent natin na side. Okay? So yun. Kaya ang nangyari dito is binigyan natin siya ng number. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So yun. Okay. So sabi dito, thus the hydrocarbons is a 2-hexane. No, 2-hexane since yung carbons natin are 6. Okay? So yun, 2 hexane. Bakit 2 hexane? Kasi yung double bonds natin is nakalocate siya sa pangalawang carbon. So kaya ang ginamit natin dito na indication is 2. Okay? So we have 2 hexane since the hydrogen atoms are located on opposite sides of the double bond. These molecules correspond to trans isomers. Yes. Okay? So, kung makikita natin dito, yung hydrogen dito at saka yung hydrogen dito are opposite diagonally. So, ang bibigay natin dito na name is trans isomers. Okay? Instead of CIS is trans. Okay? So, therefore, the total name is, the name is 4-methyl. Bakit 4-methyl? Kasi, ilalagay pa rin natin yung pangalan ng methyl na nakalocate dito, okay? Supposedly methane yun siya pero nawalan siya ng isang hydrogen at saka connect natin dito sa carbon. So instead of methyl na lang, no? YL. So 4-methyl trans 2-hexane. So ito yung final niya na name, okay? For letter B naman same pa rin, okay? We will start, okay, we will find the longest chain. So in this case, ang pinaka-longest chain natin is from this one to this one, okay? Okay, ito yun siya. Ito yung pinaka-longest chain natin. Okay? So, again, no, magbibigay tayo ng numbers, no, mag-assign tayo ng numbers. In this case, no, dito tayo nag-start. Bakit? Kasi yung triple band is mas malapit siya rito sa kabilang side. Okay? Same pa rin ng rules sa double band natin. Okay? So, you have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So, yun. Then, the hydrocarbon is 3-heptane, no? Heptane bakit? Kasi ang involved natin na carbon dito is 7, no? Sa longest chain is 7. So, yun yung pinaka basic name niya. So, 3-heptane. Pero since may mga substituent tayo, yung CH2 at saka CH3, substituent na yan siya kasi na-connect siya sa isang branch. So, the full name will be 5-ethyl, no? 5-ethyl bakit? Kasi itong substituent natin ito is ethane yun siya, no? Kasi dalawang carbon, so ethane. But since nawalan sila ng isang hydrogen, so naging ethyl na lang, YL, okay? Tsaka i-connect sa panglimang carbon, so ibig sabihin nun, ang name natin na inassign natin dito is 5-ethyl, tapos 3-heptane. 3-heptane kasi yung triple carbons natin, triple bonds natin is nakalocate dito sa pangatlong carbons, okay? So 3-heptane where the position of the triple bond is indicated by the lower numbered carbon atoms. Okay, so yun. So yun. So if you have any question about these examples, you may just have to ask me. Okay, for this second topics naman, meron tayong tinatawag na reaction of alkanes and alkynes. So in here, wala tayong examples. Okay, but I will just have to let you to read this one, no? And then giving you a small brief discussion about this one. Okay? When you say reaction of yung kasing alkanes and alkynes, no? Mas madali silang makipag-react sa isang hydrogen. Okay, kasi I mean sa isang atoms, no? Kasi tinatawag silang unsaturated, where those alkanes na-discuss natin sa previous is saturated. So ibig sabihin nun, nahihirapan siyang makipag-react sa other atoms. Okay? Kasi saturated siya eh. Okay? So yun. So kung babasahin natin to siya, malalaman natin kung ano yung difference ng alkanes at saka alkanes when it comes to reaction. Okay? When it comes to reaction. So, pakibasa na lang to siya at saka yung aromatic hydrocarbons. Yung aromatic hydrocarbons naman is a types of unsaturated hydrocarbons where it is formed as a cyclic connection of carbons. Okay, now this aromatic hydrocarbons is not the same as alkanes na saturated, no? Ibig sabihin nun, hindi siya reactive, okay? Although alkane siya, no? Although unsaturated siya, so hindi siya reactive, okay? So the same sila ng alkanes, no, na alkanes na saturated where it is not actually reactive. So pakibasa na lang, okay? What's concept behind this aromatic hydrocarbon. So, may mga examples naman dito. So, pakibasa na lang. Okay? So, if you have any question, you may just have to reach me through our group chat. Okay? So, let me know what question behind these topics that will bother your uh, understanding of this uh, concept. Okay? So, that's all and assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.